Hey guys, welcome back for the second part of our rust repair on our GX470. As you remember last time, we cut out the rear cross member because there was no savoring it. You'll remember from the last video as well that we used the Eastwood Platinum, which can be applied to both raw metal as well as to rust. This time around, we are repairing the body mount on the left side and cleaning up some of the rust on the back end of the GX.
Well, we're under the back of the GX. Ignore that, please. This is what the underside of the body mount is supposed to look like. Let's go over to the other side. This one was all rusted out, so I cut the remaining part out. We'll have to make a new piece of sheet metal to go in there. I guess it helps stiffen this whole thing up, so. All right, a little trial and error, and this is roughly the shape I'm going for. So I've got these scrap plates from who knows what. About the right size, so plop that on there, trace it out. Perfect. Look. I think that'll work. Just fair warning, any of you who know how to weld, avert your eyes now. Just pop the fuse. Everywhere. It's everywhere.
What are we doing?
Trying to clean things up. Well, I'll be ready for some level of painting here soon.
Okay, are we going to be able to put the bumper cover back on? Is that...
Probably. If I concentrate on getting this cleaned up, which you can see the new plate I welded in.
Oh, where?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, don't be so surprised.
That looks awesome.
Okay, well, we'll let the internet decide.
Oh, cool.
You can go look at the other one if you want to compare the two.
Okay.
You can see the difference?
Yeah, that one's rusted.
Yeah, that's part of the difference. All this bracketry and mess here is going to get taken out eventually when the airbag system comes out.
Check this one down.
Hold on. Lift his tools up. I think that's it. The factory bumper tapered in a bit more, but where we put our angle in.
It's me, Daddy. You fixed my car already?
Whose car?
Mine. This is mine. That's my car.
Yes, sweetie. Roughly looks like it fits.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Hit it hard.
Push close.
Oh, go ahead, try and close it. Ha ha ha, it's got a lock. All right, now you can close it.
Well, that's a wrap for episode 2. I'm really excited now that I have the rear bumper cover back on. We're gonna keep moving our way up the frame and try to bury that rust once and for all.